Unlock the power of cryptocurrency directly in a Telegram chat. Send, receive, and trade crypto with ease all from one app within a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use Telegram wallet. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram on your device. Choose and chat. It can be a group, channel, or private conversation. Tap the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen and select wallet from the available options. Tap on the setup passcode to secure your wallet with a passcode. This ensures that no one can access or make transactions in your wallet without your permission. Now let's explore the wallet features. Send crypto. Choose the recipient wallet address and enter the amount you wish to send. Always double check the wallet address to avoid sending funds to the wrong recipient. Add crypto. If you want to deposit funds into your wallet, tap Add Crypto. You will see options like Buy Crypto. It means purchase crypto with your preferred payment method, P2P market, trade directly with other users with zero fees. External wallet, transfer funds from another crypto wallet into your Telegram wallet. To use the exchange feature, tap on it. Here you can swap one type of cryptocurrency for another. Enter the amount you want to pay and Telegram will show you how much you will receive in return. Tap P2P market. You should tap on the P2P market to buy or sell crypto directly with others. This method comes with a zero transaction fee, making it a great choice for cost-efficient trading. If someone shares a QR code for their wallet address, tap the QR code icon at the top right corner to scan it. This allows you to send funds quickly and easily by scanning the code. Tap on the transaction history. Here you can view a record of your recent transaction. This helps to keep track of your incoming and outgoing funds. Furthermore, tap the settings icon in the top left corner to manage preferences. Notification. Here you can enable or disable notification for wallet activity. Passcode and fingerprint. You can also add a fingerprint or passcode for extra protection. Language. Tap the wallet language to choose your preferred language. Currency. Tap on the default currency to change the currency displayed in your wallet. So this is how to use Telegram wallet.